This is Ritesh and what I for you today. So we are going to talk about Tableau distance function that has come along with Tableau at 2019.3 and how this new feature has given me a new perspective as far as wildlife in Uttarakhand is concerned. In fact, I got to know that I'm very close to a location where there was a deadly encounter between a leopard and a woman in Uttarakhand. I visited that location. I found one of the many reasons of accidents not at the location but in the Uttarakhand itself. Now, leopard is closer to humans in the year 2020. Is it because of corona? Who knows? One leopard can kill in the two countries of Nepal and India. So, with that map and with that satellite view of the location, it helped me to, find not new things, but something which I was not aware of, right? So, if I go to the normal image and if I go to the data source, it's generally just, we have comments. So, you should have two locations, destination and the origin. So LAT and LO1 is, if you see, is a single float numbers over there. That means that is my location, and latitude and longitude is the location of where leopard had deadly encounters with villagers of Uttarakhand, right? So if you see, this is the map, and this is India, and if you just concentrate, India is one of the places in the world where you have more number of casualties with respect to leopard, right? So this is one of my leopard inflicted upon humans, and if you see, reported attacks are regularly reported only in India and Nepal. This has to be noticed because we'll try to find something. So now these are the, you have latitude and longitude, and you have the new distance calculation. We had one calculation earlier as well, which is this, where again you are making use of latitude and longitude, LAT1 and LON1. Remember, that's my location. And latitude and latitude are the locations of the venues where a leopard killed human beings in Uttarakhand. Now, this was the older calculation. The new calculation is pretty straightforward for 2019. It's not new, but yes, it's pretty straightforward, where you have distance, make point, latitude, longitude, my location, make point, latitude, longitude, the location where we had the deadly encounters, right? So now, after coming to the map, you can see, and on purpose, I have put one location from Nepal also, which is a different country, to show you that there are no boundaries in between. We'll go to the satellite image as well, but this is the calculation, and I have dropped that new distance to my tooltip, and I can see the distance. New distance calculation, that means 22.7. So if you go to the syntax of that calculation, it's nothing, distance, make point, and at the end you can also define the unit of measurement. Here it is kilometer. So what I did, I put so these are the, so I just want to show you that same leopard can cross the boundaries. There are no boundaries as such. All these are forest, right? So don't think that there are boundaries between Nepal and India. No, it's not like that. Leopard from India can go to Nepal, and from Nepal it can come to India and kill human beings over there, right? And we'll have one deadly example of the same. So this is the way you get the calculation, and it's pretty straightforward. And this is a tooltip. But if I go to the satellite image, we can come to a few more conclusions over there. So this is my place, Haldwani, and so I just had this calculation, and after that I am using that as filter. So I want to see that within 10 kilometer of radius, how many venues are there for me where I can go. And within 10 kilometer there are two venues, and we'll just try to zoom in. One and second, this is my place. This green one is my place, and now I need to decide that where I need to go. But before that, I can show you that these all places, right? If I just make use of the radial selection, it will show you that it's pretty near to, right? You can see there are so many houses over there. That means the leopards are venturing out to the locations where human beings are living. Now, we can also say that maybe we are coming to their place or they are coming to our place. This is a subject of debate, but I needed to decide that where I need to go, this place or that place. Now this is a, another. This is another place. This is near HMT office. You know, HMT used to manufacture watches for India. It used to be the number one brand. It's it's not doing well currently. So I decided to go to this place because I have been to this place when I was a kid or as a teenager. So I went to this place and I got one of the many reasons, right? If I just talk about this dashboard and if I just hover there and it says old girl was killed in a leopard attack in Pithoragarh when she was working near house and collecting fodder. Again, cutting fodder for her livestock when a leopard when she got was going to cut grass in the forest. So I got the live example over there. I went to that place. So if you see, so this is that venue. This one. I'm there, and what I noticed that again there was a woman over there who was collecting fodder for her livestock, and you just cannot stop them, right? And sometimes it is a very helpless situation with more than 10 mostly women or children's getting killed within a span of 2 months only. So that's what I was trying to show you, that this is that location where there is a woman over there and she's collecting fodder or cutting trees, getting woods. But this is a helpless situation. This is that place. And also, if you see that we are very near, if I just don't focus within 10 kilometer, if I just you can see that uh, we are bordering Nepal over there. So it's possible that someone like Tigress of Champawat, whose name is in the Guinness Book of World Record, and the Champawat tiger was responsible for killing 436 people in Nepal and India, and her name is in the Guinness Book of World Records. So it's quite possible that the same man-eater can come to India and kill people. Same man-eater will can go to Nepal and kill people. And these are the two countries which are having the